Younger people are seemingly developing more side effects after taking the COVID-19 vaccine. That's according to the Ministry of Health. It says in the latest weekly report, the majority of the mild to serious side effects are among those in the 18 to 35 age group. Jamaica Maitland tells us more.
It's called the events supposedly attributable to vaccination or immunization is SAVI-form. The Ministry of Health says since the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccination program in March, it has received 738 ISAV reports from the public about possible side effects since taking the drug.
For AstraZeneca, it's 497, for Pfizer, 202, and for Johnson & Johnson, 37. So we have classified that 738 into what may be deemed as serious and requiring investigation.
Dr. Melody Ennis heads the country's vaccination program. She says there are 165 serious cases. However, the actual number of people affected may be less since they can report having more than one side effects. It includes being hospitalized, having medical complications, or even dying since taking the vaccine.
For AstraZeneca in that group, we have 142 we consider serious. For Pfizer, 20, Johnson & Johnson, 2, and we actually do have one for Moderna, and this, of course, is someone who would have received the Moderna outside of country, came home, and got very sick.
5 Jamaicans have reported the very rare but serious anaphylactic shock, all of whom Dr. Ennis says are now doing well. 4 people developed Bell's palsy, which causes muscle weakening or paralysis of the face, while 21 people reported thrombosis. The symptoms developed after taking the AstraZeneca vaccine, except for one of the anaphylactic victims who took Pfizer.
Let us be clear that this is different from the clot that is ascribed to AstraZeneca, which is a clot with a low platelet count or that blood type that allows for clotting. So we haven't seen any thrombosis with clots with low platelets, but we have seen 21 thrombotic events.
But according to Dr. Ennis, the figures represent less than 1 in every 100,000 Jamaicans who take the vaccine and develop anaphylactic shock or Bell's palsy, while almost 3 in every 100,000 develop thrombosis. Of concern is that the side effects are being reported among the 18 to 36 age group.
I do not have the age breakdown. I'm scanning to see if I do. I don't have the age breakdown for the serious ISAVs, but if I look at what is happening internationally, it does appear as if the younger persons are in fact experiencing more ISAVs.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.